In the previous lesson, we saw how easy it is to add a modal window. Another cool plugin is the Scrollspy plugin, which is used for automatically updating navigation targets based on the scroll position. So let's check it out. Here's a typical page with some content that's divided in several sections. We also have a fixed navigation bar on the top, which contains 3 links that match the 3 content sections. Now, the goal of this exercise is to make the nav links active when we scroll to a certain section. So for example, if I scroll down to section 2, the section 2 link should become active. So first things first, we must link the content sections to the nav on the top. So let's add some unique IDs to these sections. So I'm going to say ID equals section 1, and we'll do the same for the other 2. This is section 2, and this is section 3. Now we must link these to the anchor tags on the top. So href, I'm going to say section 1, section 2, and 3. Okay, so now when we click on one of them, it's going to take us to that section. Now, to use the Scrollspy plugin, you gotta include the bootstrap-scrollspy.js file. And as you can see, I have a general bootstrap.js file which includes all of these plugins. But if you're working on your own demo, make sure you include that file. Once you load the appropriate files, it's time to initialize the plugin. And to do that, we must first find the element that we want to spy on. In our case, it's the body element because, well, we scroll the entire page, right? So this only makes sense. So go here and we're going to add the following attributes. Data spy will be equals to scroll, and also data target will be equal to navbar, which is this class right here. So we're targeting the navbar that we want to use for, altering those link states. And also you got to make sure the navigation you want to use has the nav class, just like here. Otherwise, it's not going to work. All right, so that's it basically. Let's have a look. Section 1. Yeah, if you scroll down to section 2, it will update automatically. Okay, really, really easy. And you can add or you can spy on any content you want. Just make sure you add the appropriate data attributes. You can also initialize the plugin via JavaScript. So you just have to do this. Navbar, Scrollspy, and that's it basically. That's pretty much it for the Scrollspy plugin. In the next lesson, we'll have a look at tooltips and popovers.